Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Colorful's EVOL P15 gaming laptop. So friend, Colorful has launched the all-in-one gaming and multimedia solution and high-performance storage is thrilled to announce the EVOL P15 Colorful's latest addition to its lineup of gaming laptops. And friend, is sporting an eye-catching retro-futuristic steel blue color, and it comes equipped with the 12th generation Intel Core processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics. The gaming laptop also features an RGB light bar on its front lid to complete its gaming laptop look, and it is equipped with up to a 12th generation Intel Core i7 12650H and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4068 GB. It is ready to meet both gaming and content creation needs, and the steel blue color with RGB lighting appeals to modern gamers and eSport enthusiasts. It sports a 15.6-inch QHD 165Hz display with NVIDIA G-SYNC support for smooth and tear-free gameplays, and for connectivity it comes with both Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth wireless and 1 GbE LAN port. And Fred, the laptops comes with an impressive cooling system that consists of a 6-heat pipe heatsink with dual fans, and the multi-door cooling system comes with 4 air vents to expel heat quickly, and the gaming laptop also features a convenient 1-key cooling mode using FN plus using the function +1 command to adjust between the 3 cooling modes. And friend, the model sporting the same specification with a larger 16-inch 144Hz 165Hz NVIDIA G-SYNC compatible display. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.